The caeca is one of the most vital organs for chicken because it produces 5 to 10% of the total energy produced in the bird. It has a higher microbial density as compared to its neighbor, the ileum. These bacteria help to ferment various undigested nutrients and provide substrates for energy production in the bird. These substrates, known as short-chain fatty acids, enhance the energy production, which leads to improved productivity. They also help to protect the gut by inhibiting pathogenic bacteria. Therefore, SCFAs are important for the bird, and bacteria are responsible for its enhanced production. Bacteria in the gut are mainly divided into 3 phyla: the Firmicutes, the Bacteroidetes, and Proteobacteria. Each phyla consists of many different bacteria who predominantly perform similar functions in the caeca. What are these different types of bacteria? Are they beneficial or harmful? The first phyla, the Firmicutes, help in fermentation of undigested nutrients, prevent bacterial colonization, and prevent the accumulation of toxic byproducts of metabolism. Bacteroidetes, the next phyla, help in fermentation and prevent bacterial colonization. E. coli and Salmonella, some of the most pathogenic bacteria, come under Proteobacteria. Research has shown that the relative population of bacterial classes, Firmicutes and Bacteroidetes, determines the productivity of the bird. This is known as the FB ratio. The higher the FB ratio, the better is the FCR, and the higher is the body weight gain and energy harvesting capacity in the bird. This means its productivity ultimately improves. But how are we able to differentiate the Firmicutes from the Bacteroidetes phyla? How does it help to know your bird's gut health? Let's find out more. We performed an experiment where we used broiler breed Ross 308 and induced diarrhea using magnesium chloride. In one group, Stody, our solution to diarrhea in birds, was used to check its performance and birds' gut health. This experiment lasted for 42 days, after which the results were obtained and analyzed. Using the metagenomics, we were able to study the impact Stody had on the Caecal microbes when the bird was subjected to diarrhea. The caeca of the birds was sampled and the DNA of microbes were extracted. The DNA of the microbes in the caeca were used to identify each microbe. This was done through a highly advanced methodology known as next-generation sequencing, where the DNA sequence of thousands of microbes were individually examined and grouped according to their reference sequence in the NCBI database. Through this high-throughput exercise, we were able to know about the different microbial populations in various regions in the caeca. What did we uncover? In our metagenomics study, we found a significant increase in the Firmicute count, whereas there was a decrease in the Bacteroidetes population. This can also be seen in the phylum level. When analyzed, we found that the FB ratio, a key indicator of superior gut health, was significantly increased in the group treated with Stody. This means that the bacterial load was favoring enhanced fermentation, leading to better FCR and productivity. Here, we can see that despite the bird being treated for diarrhea with Stody, its performance parameters like FCR were almost at par with the bird fed with normal diet and not subjected to diarrhea. You are now seeing different classes of bacteria in Firmicutes phylum whose population was increased and some harmful classes whose population was decreased. Stody also led to the reduction in the population of harmful bacteria like Enterobacteria and Campylobacteria. Finally, we can conclude that Stody is able to shift the balance in the gut by favoring the proliferation of beneficial bacteria like Firmicutes and reducing the population of non-beneficial bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella. This was performed in a diarrhea-induced condition, where it is instrumental in reducing incidences of wet litter in birds also. This makes Stody a truly excellent product with multiple functionalities. In summary, we conclude that Stody impacted the microbial population of the poultry gut, mainly the Caeca. The firmicute levels improved, which helped to enhance the FCR even when the birds were subjected to diarrhea condition. The entire study was published in the journal Pharmacognosy Research. Stody gives you the perfect opportunity to not only prevent wet litter in your farms, but also enhance the gut of your birds and improve productivity. Contact us to know more.